scary. My plane flooded.
Because the leak which they experienced is at the front of the aircraft. So again, as a precaution. So, safe onward journey. Thank you for travelling with us.
My local Starbucks flooded. These heroes keep working. My local Domino's pizza flooded, but stayed open.
Do not be fooled. This video is not real water. It's bloody app. I've seen this app before. You can download the app and you can make water level rise in your environment. It uses LiDAR on the camera to make the water rise. Don't be fooled.
My local Starbucks flooded. These heroes keep working.